Thinking sigurado ka hindi makakalata sa akin si Lilith. Maybe we should tell her the truth. Tayo na.
No, not yet. Mag-enjoy muna tayo. Ang saya kaya. At isa pa, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali, di ba?
Okay, you're the boss. For now, keep it a secret.
Okay. Lilith?
Attorney Matias, what a surprise.
Ako nga yung ginulat niyo eh. Kayo na pala? Kailan pa?
I still can't believe na magkasama na ulit tayo. Akala ko hindi na mangyayari ito. I miss this so much. It feels so good to finally be with you, my dear Amir. Matagal kong hinintay ito.
Trisha, late na.
Pero hindi pa ako naaantok.
Matulog na tayo, okay? Trisha, aga pa appointment ko bukas. Tulog na tayo, ha? Good night.
So, kailan pa tong relationship na to? Or should I say, how long have you been keeping this evidence from me? Attorney Alon? Ira?
Evidence? Well, if this were a trial, Attorney Matias, I'd say the burden of proof would lie solely on you, no? Pero since nahuli mo kami, I'll plead guilty to being in contempt of your trust and your knowledge for about a few days now.
Ayaw naman sana namin itago sa'yo to, ate. Kasi hindi na rin namin alam kung paano pa sasabihin sa'yo eh. But since alam mo na, maybe it's better this way.
Eh sana, ready kayo sa verdict ko. Because I'm about to hold you both in contempt of my trust. Parang di mo naman ako kapatid eh.
Sorry na, ate. Masaya talaga ako kay Ramon eh. Parang nagagamot niya yung pangungulila ko kay Mati. Ayaw mo ba ako maging masaya, ate?